We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Johanne and Nicholas. Love is an act of consistency, and the real act of marriage takes place in the heart and not at the altar. It's a choice you make on your wedding day over and over again, and that choice is reflected in the way you treat your significant other.
When I wake up next to you, I see the sky in ocean blue, the dawn in bloom.
Johanne, you're the most caring person I know, caring no matter what the cost. You're supportive in everything that I do. Your love, understanding, and support have seen me through tough times and improved even the best experiences. I love you so much, and I'm happy to be able to truly call you my wife, finally.
Nicholas and Johanne together for those successful marriages. Of course, on your part, you've always got to say, yes, dear, you're right, you know, or I'm sorry. And of course, yeah, honey, I love you. Always listen. 2 ears, talk half as much, and you got a lot more done. So,
babe, when I met you, I was so overly severely broken. I didn't trust men anymore. But you have completely changed my view in life. It's as if you came into my life to let me know that I actually matter. That I can be taken care of. That I can be heard. That I can be understood. That I can be respected. That I am beautiful. That I can be loved. You treated my wounds and you healed my soul.
My sister is the most driven, caring, and loving person I have ever met. My life has not been easy, but each and every time my sister has been there for me, getting me the help that I need. My sister is my role model because she has always come out stronger no matter what is thrown at her.
I feel so blessed to welcome Nick into our lives and thank him for the laughters and happiness he brings to my daughter.
Like most fathers, their daughters are their superheroes. No matter what, they always want the best for them. My daughter mostly achieved some of what I thought about her future, but I was always proud of her. We thank Nick for giving her the love and understanding.
Today, I promise to continue our very competitive card games and let you win sometimes with gin rummy. I promise to keep taking photos of you so that you will always be the person that have more pictures than any other spindles in the family now. I promise to keep loving you with all my heart and to always choose us. And I look forward to raising Julian and Noah together forever. I love you. Noah, I promise to keep loving you unconditionally. I promise to do my best to be the best bonus mom ever. I love you so much. Can I hug her a gift?
Yeah. Julian, I promise to always do my best to be a good parent to you and to show you to the best of my ability what a good, healthy relationship looks like. I promise to do everything that I can to contribute to your success. Thank you for your blessing today, for your help in picking the rings, and for being part of our family.
Now it is my honor and my privilege, by the power vested in me, to pronounce you husband and wife. Nicholas, you may kiss your bride.
I just wanna dive into the blue. There's
Mommy, I'm glad that you're married because you're the perfect duo and I love you both.
Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life.
May the two of you have a long, happy, and healthy life together.
Me and your mama love you very much and will always be there for you. Best wishes from your papa.
May God be with you and bless you. May you see your children's children. May you be poor in misfortune, rich in blessings. May you know nothing but happiness from this day forward.
If we can have a toast to my son and my new daughter, to Nicholas and Johanne, great day tomorrow.
After years and years of me telling you guys, you're going the distance, you're going to get married, here we are. I told you so.
Nick, I have no idea why you want to be a part of the crazy family. But I'm very happy and grateful you came into my sister's life.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
To Nick, I will raise a bottle of poppers. And to my sister, let's all raise a glass to the newlyweds.
'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa.